Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a super cute fish. Are you ready? Let's go! Now add a triangle at the back. That's the tail. Perfect! Let's give our fish a smiling face. Draw a little circle for the eye and a tiny curve for the mouth. Wow, it's looking so happy! Next, we'll draw two fins. One on the top and one on the bottom. Just like little leaves. Awesome work! Finally, let's add some scales. Draw small rainbow-shaped lines across the body. Beautiful! And don't forget to color your fish with bright colors, maybe orange, yellow, or even rainbow stripes. Great job, artist! You just drew an amazing fish. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.